Hello. Today we're going to look at copying cells. So we look at my spreadsheet. I have cell A1 selected. You can see that by the blue going around the cell. All right. If I go to my lower right-hand corner, I see a square. Notice when my cursor goes over that square, it changes to a plus. When I see that, I click and I can drag down. And when the contents of the cell is just a word, it will copy the word. I can go across in a row or down in a column. Now I have a date. I click here, again, go down, and this time notice that it changed the date. Now we have class 1. Again, click and drag, and we see how the number changes. Now let's look at a cell with just one number. Click and I drag. Notice it does not change. So a single number just stays the same. Okay,